Is your company implementing or exploring additive manufacturing technologies? Then you need to attend Rapid Plus TCT 2020, North America's largest and most important additive manufacturing event. Here are the top 5 reasons why. Learn how to use 3D technologies to reduce time to market, create stronger and lighter parts, simplify your supply chain, and achieve revolutionary design freedom. Consult with industry experts before you make equipment decisions. Visit over 400 3D technology providers in one room. Network with over 8,000 industry peers. Discover the latest additive manufacturing processes, applications, and materials at the conference, with over 100 presentations. The future of additive manufacturing is created here. Don't be left behind. Join us in Anaheim, California this April to be a part of the evolution.